Hi Jane, how are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm fine too. Let's practice some daily phrases.
Great idea. I want to improve my speaking.
First phrase, how's it going? It means how are you?
Oh, like how's it going means how are you? Got it.
Next, what's up? It's a casual greeting.
I hear that a lot. It means what's new, right?
Exactly. Another one, long time no see.
That's when you meet someone after a while.
Yes. You say it when you haven't seen someone for some time.
Like, long time no see. How have you been?
Perfect. Here's another, take care.
That means be careful or goodbye, right?
Yes, it's a friendly way to say goodbye.
I like that. It sounds warm and caring.
Now, fingers crossed. It means hoping for good luck.
I can use it before an exam or interview.
Yes, like fingers crossed for your test.
What about no worries? I hear that often.
It means don't worry or it's okay.
So if I say no worries, it means everything is fine?
Exactly. Here's a useful phrase, you bet.
That sounds like of course or definitely.
Yes, it's an enthusiastic way to agree.
Good to know. What about hang on?
It means wait a moment.
Like, hang on, I'll be right back?
Exactly. Another phrase, I'm all ears.
That means I'm listening carefully, right?
Yes, it shows you want to hear more.
I'll use that when talking with friends.
Great. Now, beat around the bush.
What does that mean?
It means avoiding the main topic.
Oh, so if someone doesn't get to the point, they beat around the bush.
Exactly. Here's another, break a leg.
I know that one. It means good luck, right?
Yes, it's often used before performances.
That's interesting. I thought it meant something bad.
It sounds strange but is positive.
What about hit the sack?
It means go to sleep.
So after a long day, I can say I'm going to hit the sack.
Yes. Another phrase, piece of cake.
That means something is very easy?
Right. If a task is simple, say it's a piece of cake.
I like that expression.
Next phrase, costs an arm and a leg.
That means something is very expensive, right?
Exactly. Like this car costs an arm and a leg.
I'll remember that for sure.
Here's one, under the weather.
That means feeling sick?
Yes, if you feel ill, say you're under the weather.
That's a useful phrase for health talks.
Now, call it a day.
That means to stop working?
Yes, when you finish work for the day.
Like let's call it a day.
Perfect. Another phrase, cut corners.
What does that mean?
It means doing something quickly and badly.
Oh, like rushing and not doing a good job.
Exactly. Here's a positive phrase, on the ball.
That means being alert or smart?
Yes, being quick to understand or react.
I want to be on the ball at work.
Me too. Now, speak of the devil.
I don't understand that one.
You say it when someone you just mentioned appears.
Oh, like a coincidence.
Exactly. Another phrase, see eye to eye.
That means to agree with someone?
Yes, agreeing fully.
Good to know for discussions.
Now, break the ice.
That means to start a conversation?
Yes, to make people feel comfortable.
I'll use that at parties.
Perfect. Next, burn the midnight oil.
That means working late, right?
Yes, working or studying late at night.
I do that before exams.
Me too. Here's one, go the extra mile.
That means to do more than needed?
Exactly, putting in extra effort.
I want to do that in my job.
Good attitude. Now, hit the nail on the head.
That means to be exactly right?
Yes, describing something perfectly.
I'll use that when someone is accurate.
Another phrase, in hot water.
That means in trouble, right?
Yes, if you are in a difficult situation.
Like I'm in hot water with my boss.
Exactly. Now, jump the gun.
What does that mean?
It means to act too soon.
So, don't jump the gun before knowing facts.
Right. Here's one, let the cat out of the bag.
That means to reveal a secret?
Yes, accidentally or on purpose.
I have to be careful with that.
Good point. Next phrase, miss the boat.
That means to miss an opportunity?
Exactly. If you don't act in time.
I don't want to miss the boat.
Me neither. Now, once in a blue moon.
That means very rarely?
Yes, something happens only occasionally.
Like I travel once in a blue moon.
Perfect. Another phrase, pull someone's leg.
That means to joke or tease someone?
Yes, a fun way to play tricks.
I like to pull my friend's legs sometimes.
Me too. Now, see eye to eye.
We said that one already.
Oops. Let's try sit tight.
What does that mean?
It means to wait patiently.
Like sit tight, help is coming.
Exactly. Next phrase, speak of the devil.
We mentioned that too.
Sorry. How about take it easy?
That means relax or don't stress.
Yes, good advice for hard days.
I should say that more often.
Me too. Now, throw in the towel.
That means to give up?
Yes, to stop trying.
I hope I never have to do that.
Same here. Next, under the weather.
Already covered that one.
Right. Let's try up in the air.
What does that mean?
It means uncertain or undecided.
Like our plans are up in the air.
Exactly. Now, wrap your head around something.
That means to understand something difficult?
Yes, to comprehend fully.
I need to wrap my head around grammar rules.
Me too. Next, your guess is as good as mine.
That means I don't know either.
Yes, when you are unsure.
That's handy to say sometimes.
Now, zip your lip.
That means to be quiet, right?
Yes, to stop talking.
I'll tell that to noisy friends.
Haha. Great. Next phrase, call it a day.
We already learned that one.
True. How about cut to the chase?
That means get to the point?
Exactly. No wasting time.
I like that in meetings.
Me too. Another phrase, down to earth.
That means being practical and realistic?
Yes, someone humble and sensible.
I want to be more down to earth.
Good goal. Next, give someone the cold shoulder.
That means to ignore someone?
Yes, to be unfriendly.
I hope people don't do that to me.
Me too. Now, hit the books.
That means to study hard?
Yes, especially before exams.
I need to hit the books this week.
Same here. Another phrase, in the same boat.
That means having the same problem?
Exactly, sharing a situation.
It's good to know I'm not alone.
Yes. Next, keep your chin up.
That means stay positive?
Yes, don't lose hope.
I'll remember that for tough days.
Great. Next phrase, last straw.
What does that mean?
It's the final problem that causes a reaction.
Like that was the last straw for me.
Exactly. Now, make a long story short.
That means to tell something briefly?
Yes, to summarize.
I use that all the time.
Me too. Next, off the hook.
That means freed from responsibility?
Yes, no longer in trouble.
Good phrase for excuses.
Indeed. Now, on the fence.
That means undecided?
Exactly, not making a choice.
I hate being on the fence.
Me too. Next, pull yourself together.
That means to calm down and focus?
Yes, regain control of emotions.
I need to do that sometimes.
We all do. Last one, wrap it up.
That means to finish something?
Yes, to complete or end.
Perfect ending for our conversation.
I enjoyed practicing these phrases.
Me too. Let's use them daily.
Definitely. It will help our English skills.
Thanks, Helen. You're a great teacher.
Thank you, Jane. You're a great student.
Let's meet again soon for more practice.
Absolutely. Talk to you later.
Bye, Helen. Take care.